In this example, um, we're going to look at a demonstration problem that has to do with the contingency table or the cross tabulation table. Um, the data that we're looking at is about the employees in the company, and they are categorized by two factors. One is the gender, male, female, and the other factor is the type of position. So there are four types, which are managerial, professional, technical, and clerical. So, and the questions that we want to find here is the probability of F union P, which is the event of an employee be either a female or a professional type of positions. And using the law of additions, we know that this probability equal to the sum of the individual probability, which is probability of female plus probability of being professional, and that minus the probability of F intersect P. So we go through the steps to find these three quantities. Um, First, look at the probability of an employee be female first. So that's P of F, and using this method to compute the probability, right, you will need to find how many employees um, are female, and take that divided by the total number of employees, right? And let's look at these columns of females. So there are three of managerial positions, 13 are professional, 17 in technical, and 22 in clerical, right? And then divided by the total number of employees, which is 155. And if you add these numbers up, it's going to be 55 divided by 155, and that gives you 0.355. That's the probability of an employee being a female. And then similarly look at the probability of an employee being a professional. So let's look at the row of the professional. You have 31 professionals that are male, 13 of them are female. Add that up, divide by the total, which is 155, and that's 44 divided by 155, and that should be 0.284. Now we have the intersection to deal with, right? So the probability of F intersect P, which is the probability of an employee being a female and a professional, which is if you look at the column for female and then the row of the professional, and the count there is 13. So we take that, divide by 155, give you 0.084. Now we have all the quantities we need. Just plug those in, and that would be 0.3555 plus 0.284 minus 0.084. Then the answer is going to be 0.555. That's the probability of F union P.